Welcome! In this quick lesson, we'll evaluate a simple limit step by step, with each step appearing as I speak. We want the limit as x approaches 0 of x squared plus 3x plus 4. Step 1. Identify the function and the limit point. Our function is f of x equals x squared plus 3x plus 4, and the limit point is x approaching 0. Step 2. Use direct substitution for polynomials. A key fact is polynomials are continuous everywhere. So, the limit of p of x as x approaches c equals p of c. Step 3. Substitute x equals 0 directly into the function. So the limit equals f of 0, which is 0 squared plus 3 times 0 plus 4. Compute the parts. 0 squared is 0, and 3 times 0 is 0. Therefore, the expression becomes 0 plus 0 plus 4. Step 4. Final calculation. Adding the terms gives 4. Therefore, the limit as x approaches 0 of x squared plus 3x plus 4 equals 4. Recap. We identified the function, used continuity of polynomials to substitute directly, simplified carefully, and got the final answer 4. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple, one video at a time, only on muyversemaths.